Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily use TherapyNotes. Now after finishing this video you will know exactly how to use it, and if you're gonna have any questions guys that you want me to create a new tutorial on, let's say, clients or documenting whatever, billing in TherapyNotes, ask it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to do that. So without further ado, let's start my free trial. Now I'm just going to copy the mail. Practice name is going to be like this. Then you're going to choose also the organization if you're creating your account like me. Phone number. Now I'm going to add a zip code and email address. Then you're going to choose the clinician. What kind of view? Name. Now I'm going to get practice code, username and password. Now I'm going to fill everything. Terms of service, I'm going to continue. This is just filling out all the forms and everything which is important. And here we are. So what we can learn here and what we can do here, you can go by to-do list and go step by step. We can do that. Or first, before we go to the to-do list and we will do the to-do list, I'm going to show you what you can actually find here and how we can manage in TherapyNotes. All right. So the first thing that you're going to do is you can find to-do list and then agenda. This is the home. Here you can set a calendar view for all locations, main office or patient residence. You can also hide missed and cancelled appointments. And you can set the calendar view, or you can simply click here new appointment and we will get to it, how we can create the appointment, etc. And then what you can do is you can create an appointment directly in your agenda. So let's say there is a like on Sunday, I can click plus here and create appointment here, or I can click a new appointment, but I need to schedule a time here. So these are the two ways how we can actually do it. Now, when you got it, and we will see how we can create appointment, etc. First, I want to show you the to-do on a top left. Click on it too. You will find all to-do list item. When you're gonna click here on this logo of TherapyNotes, you will get right here where is agenda. When you're gonna click on the scheduling, in scheduling, you can simply find like the agenda here without the to-do, and you can go by agenda, day, week, month, and you can add simple appointment everywhere. Where you do see the plus, you can add appointment there. Patients, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a patient. Then we're gonna have the staff, how we can add a staff. Billing. Again, you can simply search for billing transactions. You're gonna have the insurance payments, insurance claims, and patient accounting. You can simply add, enter patient payment, we will see. Then payers, and you can simply add a new payer. And I will show you how you can everything do that. So let's go first to-do list. My recommendation, do the to-do list first and add, update, service codes and everything that you need. That's the first thing that you need to do. When you're gonna finish it, continue in a video. And you can go on the top right, add the service code. You will fill everything here. This is only based on you and your information, so I can't fill this for you. When you're gonna have that, enter your work schedule so that therapy knows when you're available for appointments. So that's the next thing that we're gonna do. Here we are in a staff, work schedule. I can click here, add the time, and let's say I'm going to work for Mondays, 9 AM to 5 PM, main office. Work locations, main office. Then I can add a Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, I just added time. If you're working even in Saturday, Sunday, you can add it there. So this is pretty much how you do it. Now I'm going to save work schedule. Voila, here we have it. So we finished the work schedule. Now when we go further, we can enter appointments into our TherapyNotes calendar. So let's go that way. Now we are in scheduling. In scheduling, what I can do is to simply go and click new appointment on top right, or I can simply choose. So let's say it's going to be 10 a.m. therapy session, or let's say consultation. And now we see that we don't have any patient yet. So what you can do when you're creating an appointment, you can add a new patient right here. So let's say this is going to be Marcus client, Marcus, date of birth. You would add mobile phone, home, everything. I would click save new patient. Now clinician is going to be me, location main office. Now service code. Then I see the scheduled time, duration, and frequency, if it's going to be recurring weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. Then you're going to click save new appointment. And voila, here we have it. Now this is how you can simply add a client and how you can add appointment. You can also add a client, a patient, by clicking on patient and click here on a top right new patient. That's the same way. And you would fill everything here. And if you're just starting out with the TherapyNotes, but you have a lot of patients, you would just add all the patients here as a gender identity, race, languages, employment. You would fill everything. Now when you got it, let's go further to our to-do list. Okay, we have the appointments, your practice-wide billing settings. So this is something I'm not going in much deep, because this is something you need to fill. NPI numbers must be on file. You need to fill everything what you see here. And when you have that, let's go further to the enter payers insert in companies. This is something that also we need to do for your clients. Visit the settings page to review many other ways TherapyNotes can be configured for your practice practitioner needs. And again, you see to-do list here, activity log. You can change the scheduling here, how it looks like, notes, billing. So you can edit the settings here. Now, then you have things like create a consultation note. And that's pretty much it, right? And then definitely, guys, you need to like add full address of where you're heading. So practice information, where is your headquarters? I would call it like that, office. And you would add address line, city, state. And this is my recommendation to do. Now let's start with how we added a patient. You know exactly how to use the scheduling now. Now we are going to click on the staff. With the staff, I can go on the top right and click new user. And then I can have, let's say it's going to be clinician, intern, let's say clinician. Then I can have billing access, scheduling access, and add everything here that is important as username, mobile address, everything important, right? So when you're gonna fill it, you're just gonna save it, and this is how you can add a staff. So when you click on a staff, this is one of me, you can see the scheduling here, right, of the staff. And you can see that, okay, I'm going to have consultation with our patient. Then I can have also billing here as a clinician billing, claim history. Then I can have patients under the staff. Then the to-do list, work schedule, when the staff is working, and files. So this is pretty much it, how it works, and this is how we can work with TherapyNotes, guys. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And again, if you have any problems with TherapyNotes and you want to learn something, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.